Hey guys, this is the Kizer Mini Grouper or Grouper. Beautiful, beautiful knife. My first compression one look. Super smooth, like really smooth action. Super fidgety. You got your thumb studs, you got your rear flipper. Love the double the detent when it locks up, the sound of it. Beautiful knife. So if you want, go and check out my full cutting test, quick look at it, and feel free to subscribe. I'll put a link in the description where I got mine from. And yeah, beautiful G10 with carbon fibre. Been awesome. Everyday carry knife, work knife, hunting knife, you name it. So Nitro-V steel, can't go wrong. Alright, I'll catch you on the next video, guys.